In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkout for Canva website vertical bar create a cart. By the end, you'll have a clean clickable checkout button on your Canva website that takes visitors straight to a secure payment page. Start by opening your website design in Canva. If you have multiple pages, go to the page where you want your checkout to appear. Think about placement. A button near your main headline or near pricing details usually performs best. Make sure you leave enough space around it so it's easy to tap on mobile. Next, create your payment link. This is the secure URL from your payment provider such as Square, a Stripe payment link, or a PayPal link that processes the transaction outside Canva. Set the correct product, price, and currency in your provider. Then copy the link. If your provider offers a test mode, feel free to use that temporarily so you can safely check the flow without charging yourself. Back in Canva, it's time to add the button. Go to the Elements tab and search for button or shopping cart. You can choose a pre-made button shape, a cart icon, or even combine a shape with text like "Buy now" or "Add to cart." Pick a high contrast color so it stands out. And increase the size enough for comfortable clicks. If you are layering text on top of a shape, select both and group them so they move and link as one. Now link it to your checkout. Select your button or text. Click the three dots, then click the link icon. Paste your external checkout URL, and click Done. If you used a grouped button, linking the group makes the whole area clickable. Double-check that the link starts with HTTPS so it opens correctly. Click Preview at the top and test your button. Hover to confirm it shows as clickable. Then click it to make sure it opens your payment page in a new tab. Try this on a couple of pages if you've added more than one button, and skim the link text for typos. If something doesn't work, return to the link tool and repaste the URL. Once all your buttons are linked, click Share, select Website. Then click Publish Website. Choose your preferred website style, Publish, and copy your live link. Open it in a browser to verify everything looks clean on desktop and mobile, and test one more time so you are confident visitors can pay without friction. That's it. Thanks for watching.